Hello class, so for tomorrow we're going to be talking about comparing characters, so I just want to give you a quick overview so you are all ready and prepared for tomorrow. So, first question is, what does compare mean? So to compare means to find things that are similar between a group of objects or two objects or things or people, stuff like that. So to practice, we're going to compare these two images, this shirt and this shirt. So the first thing we notice between them is that they are both shirts. Second thing we notice is that both of them have some Mickey ears with them. One's right here, the other's right here. The third thing we notice is they are both Christmas themed. This one is a quote from one of the songs, Christmas song, and this one's using a pun because his name is Rex and he's a T-Rex, but they're calling him a Tree Rex. And lastly, we also notice that both of these, their colors are white, red, and green. And lastly, we notice that they are Toy Story themed. So for tomorrow, we are going to be comparing two characters from books we've read. The first book we'll be using the characters from is Cat in the Hat. So to review our characters, we have the Cat in the Hat, we have Sally and Sam, we have Thing 1 and Thing 2, and we have the fish. And the next book we are using is Green Eggs and Ham. So our characters from that are Sam I Am and Guy I Am. So for tomorrow, for your homework, I would like you to think of one characters from each book, so two characters in total, and I want you to find one thing similar between both of them. And then you're going to be ready to share them in class tomorrow. I'll see you there.